G'day guys, welcome back. Welcome to Pouring Your Heart Out. Rightio, I'm going to have another go with my hairdryer. Yes, I am. So I'll get started and I'll talk to you about this as I go. Now I am using, I might not put all of that on just yet. I'm going to be using, oh, there we go, the Aussie Floetrol. I've got 70% Floetrol and 30% gloss medium and varnish. And I've mixed those together in a big bottle, and that's my pouring medium. And then I've mixed my pouring medium, 3 parts pouring medium to 1 part paint. When I did my previous one, the one just before this on my little canvas, my base I did 4:1, but I just thought I didn't really cover the sides all that well. I probably needed to do it a little bit thicker, so I've gone 3:1. And this black is the Artist Loft black. I'll show you the bottle in a minute. I probably could have done this off camera, couldn't I? But might as well do the whole thing, hey? So I'll just cover that, and then I'll give it a bit of a tilt just to smooth out any little bumps and lumps. You don't need all of that. So that's it there. I did 150 grams of my pouring medium to 50 grams of the paint. And I haven't used it all. I've got a little bit left over. This is a 30 by 60 centimeter canvas, 12 by 24 inch. Haven't got my black marks on the piddle pad, so I'm not sure where to put the canvas back down again. Let's just cover this real quick. Like I said, I probably could have done it off camera, but you can just fast forward, I guess. So the paint's moving a little bit slower, a bit thicker. Come on, paint. Excuse me. Come on, paint. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. People are waiting for you. Yes, they are. So yeah, definitely moving a lot slower than the 4:1 that I did previously. Just cover that edge, just with my glove. Cover the edge. Off you go. Nearly there. Okay, that will do. That'll do. I just run my fingers down there as well. Try not to knock any paints over. See how it's a little bit bald there where I've just rubbed it? That's why I thought I'll make it a bit thin, a bit thicker this time. Just go over there so I don't have a bald spot. I can touch it up later. Let me just wipe my hands. Righto, so I've used the same pouring medium in my paints, and I've got the same ratio, the 3:1, except for the metallic. The metallics always have to be thicker. Okay, I'm just cleaning my palette knife. I've got some room to move here. Put my bottles on the floor. So I have got, I've got the light blue and the dark blue left over from that previous pour. Liquitex Basics Light Blue Permanent, mixed 3:1. Liquitex Basics Prussian Blue, mixed 3:1. And I've got thrown in some Jo Sonja's Raw Umber. That's also 3:1. And then my copper, which is 2:1, is the Deco Art Americana Decor Copper. 2:1, because you have to have your metallics thicker. Otherwise they make all your lacing and your cells and everything all a bit wonky, and they stretch them out. So just put those there. The black, actually I can probably put a little, oh look, there's a fingerprint there. Just put a little bit more black on where I've stuck my fingers in it. Okay, that'll do. I've got some leftovers there too. I'm gonna fix up my sides. Now the white that I'm going to put over the top is, it's just Floetrol, the Aussie Floetrol, no gloss varnish, gloss medium and varnish. Different to a gloss varnish. It's just the Aussie Floetrol, and it's 3 to 1. Okay, 3 parts Floetrol to 1 part Amsterdam titanium white. Make sure you're using the titanium white, not the zinc white, because the titanium white is opaque and the zinc's not. Right, now how am I going to layer these? I think I'm going to do the blue. Might as well go like that, sort of cornered, well, it's kind of like a Y shape, isn't it? And then, so that's a light colour, and then I think I'll put the darker one on top. A little bit of brown. Not sure about these colours, you guys. Not sure, but we'll see. Follow that. Some areas are thicker, some areas are thinner, and then I'll go with the copper. I want to leave the darkest colour on top because I'm going to put the white on top of that. So I want the white on top of my darkest colour. If that makes sense. And the copper. It's been a long time since I've used this copper. Years. I just found it in the cupboard and I thought, oh, I need a copper. I wonder what I could use. And then I thought, oh, look at that. I've got that one, and I've also got the Jo Sonia's copper. But I do know that the Deco Art Gold is really good for cells. Oh, look how it spread. So I thought, oh, this maybe will be good for cells too. Blue seems a little bit thicker than the other colours. Hope it'll be all right. Okay, so that's that. And I'm just going to use this hairdryer because it's all I've got. I'll put the little nozzly thing on so I can aim. And I think I'm just going to go low. I've got low and high. So I'll do this first one here. I'll put the white on it. Here we go. A decent amount of white because I want to have a little bit of extra white. And I want to have some negative space left as well. Some black negative space. Wish me luck. I have no idea what I'm doing. Let's do this one. I'll go back towards me. Okay. See, now I'm still learning, like, how far do I push this? Do I push it over the edge? Do I not? But I did want to have some negative space, so I think that's it. And like, I probably could have pushed that out a little bit further to like go into the depths, the nothingness, but I thought I'd just leave it. Now, I'm going to put the white on this one and see how we go with that, hey? Yeah, I'll start up here. Okay, it's pretty much all my white gone now, all right? Let's have another go, you guys. Just start up here. See if I can get that white moving a bit. Tricky doing it away from me. And this one I'll just do towards me as well. Wow, that was tricky. Oh my gosh. I think my composition needs a little bit of attention, but I did it. I did it. Yeah, I probably put a little bit too much paint on because, you know, there's not, yeah, I couldn't really like spread it very far, but maybe my mix is a little bit on the thick side still, maybe. Just having a little look at it. Now I know there's a lot of copper here, but see, I don't mind that because they've got a lot of white here and it kind of balances it. And then there's some black there, and we've got our negative space here and here, which balances a bit, and then there as well. But I guess maybe my mix is a little bit thick and it's not like the edges aren't blowing out like, you know, butterfly wings, how they just go out and they really thin towards the edges. I've seen other people do that. But look, I'm still learning, you know me. I do flip cup pours and ring pours. This is not my thing, all right? It's not my thing, but I thought, let's try it. Let's go out of my comfort zone and try it. I'm just thinking I might try and just put a little bit more colour on this and see if I can get it over that edge there. That big black bit just bothers me a little bit. I don't know if I can, but let's just try it, hey? Let's just try it. Put a little bit more colour there. And if it doesn't work, well, it doesn't work. Actually, I wonder if I thin them out just a touch with water, just to see. I'll put a little bit of water in each of them. I won't put any extra water in the copper. Put a little bit in the brown. I do like the copper. I think that's a good ratio. That's that one. I put a splash of water in the blue as well. So maybe it'll spread a bit better. We shall see. And let's do a little splash of the water in the white as well. There's not much white left, so it doesn't need much. Okay, so here we go. A little bit of the brown. And a little bit of the navy. Now I'm only going to probably just blow the one way, so I'll just put the white there. Actually, I better put a bit more on. Who are you calling a moron? All right, here we go, on low. Just trying to pick up that white. Turn it off. There we go. That's what I wanted. I just wanted it kind of over the top there. Is that better? I think that's better because I've still got a little bit of black and a little bit of black, and then the black and the black. So I'm happy with that. I've still got that little bit of copper in the center there as well, which I'm okay with. What do you think? Did I do all right? Yeah, I don't know. Let's torch. Just torch it real quick, just to pop some bubbles. Bring up a few more little cells maybe, but basically just popping some bubbles. I don't know whether the torch would actually do anything, because, you know, it's not like I've got silicone oil in there that I need to bring up to the surface. Right, I'm going to turn off my ring light, and I'm going to bring you down for a bit of a close-up. I do feel as if, oh, I can't get my glove off. I do feel as if maybe my mix is a little on the thick side, because, you know, like I said, it's just not flowing as well as I've seen other people do it. But that's okay. I'll learn. Okay, so here we go. Let's start up here. Got some really pretty lacing, and then we've got some sort of block colours there, which kind of breaks up all that lacing a bit. It's a bit glary. Gorgeous lacing. What do you think of these colours together? I know the copper looks a bit orange there. It's not. It's more like a pinky. It's more of a pinky copper. When I take a photo of it, hopefully it'll be able to show the true colour. There's the top corner. Got some really pretty lacing going on. That's that Amsterdam titanium white with the Floetrol that does that. Now that is a lot of lacing there. It's probably too much. And like I said, my composition leaves a little bit to be desired, but maybe I put too much paint on. I probably put too much paint on, and maybe it was a bit too thick, so it hasn't spread as well as it should. So, what did I do? 3 to 1. Maybe I'll change it. I'll do it again. Not today, but I'll do it again some other time, and I'll make it a little bit thinner. I'll go 4 to 1 instead of 3 to 1. I'll leave my copper as it is at 2 to 1, and have another little go at it. So there we go. Hope you liked it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you can learn along with me, those of you that haven't done any of these sorts of pours before. But it's got some really, really pretty effects going on in there. So definitely We'll have another go. I've got some paints left over there. Not much, but I have got some paints left. So, yeah, I'll have another go. All right, guys. Love you and leave you. I've got to go. Things to do, people to see, places to be. I'll see you real soon for the next video. Okay, take care. Bye for now.